everyone. Today I will be discussing the topic network devices and their functions. Network devices are basically hardware components that are used to connect computers, mobile phones, and other digital devices today so they can communicate with each other. These devices allow data to be sent, received, and shared across network. In simple terms, network devices are the tools that make communications possible in a computer network. Each network device has specific function. Some devices connect computers together, some direct data to the correct destination, and others protect the network from threats. Example of common network devices includes routers, switches, modems, access points, and firewalls. Without these devices, there would be no internet connection, no Wi-Fi, and no online communication such as messaging, video calls, and online classes. This topic is very important in network and communications because network devices are the foundation of modern communication system. Network devices make it possible for people to exchange communication quickly and efficiently, even across long distances. They enable internet access, email communication, social media, and cloud services. In addition, network devices help manage data traffic within a network. For example, switches prevent data collisions and routers in ensure that data packets reach the correct network. Network devices also play a crucial role in network security. Firewalls and gateways protect sensitive information from unauthorized access, cyber attacks, and malware. Overall, without network devices, modern communication systems used in homes, schools, offices, hospitals, and business would not function. Network devices work by cooperating with each other to transmit data from one device to another. For example, when you send a message or open a website, first, your device uses a network interface card or NIC to send data into the network. Next, a switch receives data and forwards into the correct devices within the same local network. If the data needs to go to the internet, a router determines the base path and sent into another network. A modern a modem then converts the data into a signal that can be transmitted by the internet services provider. Finally, a firewall monitors the data to ensure it is safe and allow pass to the network. Each device has a specific role and together they ensure that data is delivered accurately, efficiently, and securely. Network devices are used in almost every aspect of daily life. In homes, routers and modems provide Wi-Fi connection for phones, laptops, and smart TVs. In schools and in universities, switches and access points support online learning, computer labs, and campus Wi-Fi. In offices and companies, routers and firewalls enable secure communication and data sharing. In hospitals, network devices support patient records monitoring system and digital medical equipment. In banks, network devices ensure secure financial transactions and data protection. Every time we browse the internet, send an email or attempt a video meeting, network devices are working behind the scenes. There are many advantages to using network devices. They allow fast and reliable communication, easy data sharing, and efficient resource usage. They also improve network security and support multiple users and devices at the same time. However, there are also challenges. Network devices can be expensive, especially for large networks. This secure proper configuration and maintenance. There are also security risks such as hacking, malware, and unauthorized access if devices are not properly secured. Despite these challenges, network devices remain essential because their benefits greatly outweigh their limitations.